welcome to my channel today, guys. This is for waiting, guys. I ordered keypads online, but phone package again. It's for Redmi A3, but my mom had this, but the color is midnight black. It's same. It's like this. Yesterday I got this, but different, and Phoenix box, and this two different box for Redmi A3. So it has, the Redmi has some massive 5000 milliampere or type battery, fingerprint, but yes, he has 7 fingerprint, octa-core processor, AI dual, but it's too laggy being in China. So let's open it. It's hard tape. Wait, I opened this, but I ordered the fake. Broke. But this is a defective phone. Like yesterday, this was defective. This is the Nokia Clone 3310 DTV. I think it's 7 TB but broken. And flashlight, but this is working but broken LCD. Wait, I will take off the back cover to see what inside. So I found this. It has an 3 SIM slot and 1 micro SD card slot. In 2017 release. It says TV. This is gone like a power bank. Look at this. This is like a power bank phone. It's like a rocket phone. But flash on there, flash also there. Who made this phone? It's so dumb. Who made this phone? It's so dumb. Flash on here, but flash on flash on there, flash on there. Who made this phone? It's so dumb. This is the back cover, what looks like. Do you know the size of battery is? Comment below to the comment section if the comment section is okay. Let's move on to the next one, but the key is not very good sound. So let's move out to the next one. What do we have here? This is another fake Nokia 3310 but slim body. The other one is fat. Look at that, it's so cute. Wait a moment. So it has a battery. It's the battery. I know the battery. What is this? This is it's for Nokia E63, Nokia E90, for E71, and Nokia E55. It's for Nokia E71 and below E63, E19, E71, E55 battery. The QWERTY Nokia's battery. So look, it's like a brand new phone but broken screen. Nokia, model Nokia. It doesn't have a screw. I will open this. Wait a moment. I opened it. I saw the problem. the LCD was not connected to the main mobile phone, and look at that, and the camera was also not connected, and the speaker also too, and the LCD. I will get back this 1 and 2 and 3. So I assemble this phone too, but broken LCD. I will fix this soon if I had then parts for this phone. So let's move on to the next phone. 1 and 2 and 3. So look at the two Nokia. It's like the same, but this wasn't fat and this one is slim. So we have fake Nokia 106. Actually, I have two of this, but broken. Maybe I have broken, but I have some broken on there. The one is LCD, the one is not. The first is the water damage and doesn't turn on. I tested too much battery, but still no reaction. The second was I broke the LCD when I take out the back cover, so I have broken it. And do you know my Nokia 210? That's the software of my fake Nokia 106. And this too, I don't know this works or not. I check already this. Look, it's having crack. I think this is having LCD problems. But the key was complete. Wait a moment. I will gonna take out the back cover because it's too hard to open. Wait a moment. 1 and 2 and 3. So I open this. It says Nokia 106. Look at that. My camera is too blurred. It says Nokia 106, but here Nokia E1215. Wait, but here Nokia 106, and here Nokia E1215. It has two SIM slot and one slot micro SD card. But this is, I tried my battery on this when I opened the back cover and broken LCD. I will gonna show you the startup later in shorts, or the startup of this is like FJVN phones. I mean the fake Samsung E-Tab 05 startup like this. It's like that. My fake Nokia 3310C, my grandmother's Nokia 3310C had that sound like this. It's like this, but broken LCD. This is like the Nokia E71 startup, like this two. But if this color red, it's nice, but doesn't have a key. When you press the keypad, when it's turned on, it's like the toot, but when I press this, it's not no haven, sounds like toot, like the bubble. But not broken LCD. I bought broken LCD and but not the speaker was not broken, and the camera also too. So I will gonna show you what is the phones 1 and 2 and 3. So this is why I ordered on online shop. So this is the back cover looks like, and this was the front. That is the front. So I will fix this tree soon if I had if I had parts for the phone. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.